I'm going to show you how to fix damaged carpet. Not perfect, but it's going to look better. If we have to, we can cut this off so it's flush with the rest of the carpet. The fun part's going to be fixing all this mess. I guess when somebody was moving in, something hit here and drug on the carpet and ripped it out. Same thing, cut a piece out until it's flush and it fits in here. This piece should fit in if I cut all this crap off here. I need it to be a little wider than that. That looks better, doesn't it? I'm going to cut a little corner of this off here like this, so that way when you put it in, it'll go into this area here. See? This carpet's newer because it's under the stairwell, it was never used, so it's going to stick up higher. I'll have to shave that down. Put some glue. I'll put it on the back of the carpet. Actually, take it out for a second. This piece here needs some glue under it to hold it down. Okay. Let's put this piece back in. Now you can try to trim it down to make it flush, or you can let the glue dry first. Cut away a little too much over here, be careful. Have to slide this up some. I'll cover that hole. All right. Looks a lot better, don't it? This whole section's not even glued in anymore to the step. Clean up this, get rid of this old fibers here. I'm going to cut into this so I can put some glue behind it to the step. And careful not to rip any more carpet off. Try to get some glue behind it. If you have to, go back to the inconspicuous area and get some more carpet. Cut away some of this backing on the carpet so that it can be more flexible to go around this area right here. Put the glue. I gotta put a little piece in here and we'll be done. Then we'll move on to the remaining damaged section. Since this isn't sticking to anything solid, we're gonna have to try to put glue on the sides of it. Cut out a little piece of carpet. Try to get it the right length. I'm just gonna stuff it in there, try to put some glue on the sides of it. Stick it in there. Carefully, because it'll pop into the hole and you'll lose it, and then you have to make another piece. Okay, look at that. Good enough. You can keep pressing it in if you want to try to make it more flush. It's because you're using carpet that was never treaded on. Even though this carpet is over 50 years old, believe it or not. It's still like brand new here because nobody ever walked on this. Okay, the next section. Gotta do this. I'm gonna have to go get another piece. Okay, I think that'll work, so let's take it out, put the glue in. Press it in. Not going to be perfect, but it'll look better than not having any carpet here. This piece is actually going in better than it did up on the step. Now I got to get a little tiny section, put it right in here. Use this piece. Put some glue in there. Stuff this in. Okay. I'm gonna stuff a little bit in here. See that? It looks a lot better, doesn't it? Should have took a picture of before so you could see it from this angle.